Good morning, family. Sorry, been kind of busy in the last few days. I'm going to cut up a split turkey breast. Not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, but I want to cut it up just so I can get an idea. I'm thinking about maybe a chicken casserole. Not really sure yet. Look how big that is. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'm about to cut it up. This is still a bit frozen, so I'm going to have to let it thaw out a little bit more. And then we're about to have a party. I'll be back in a little bit. Remember that chicken from earlier? Yeah, we're about to make some casserole. Yeah. I got the breast cut up and that's cooking, and the bone, which still had meat on it, I put in the air pressure cook or instant pot, set it on steam and let it cook for about a half hour. That'll cook the meat and allow the rest of the meat to fall off the bone, make it easier to use. I'll be back. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this. We're going to use stuffing as part of this. Any kind. Since I'm using chicken stuff. And we're going to have some cream of chicken soup, or cream of chicken. And I'll be back when the meat gets ready. Hello. All right, look at that delicious chicken breast that's nice and chopped up. Got the stuffing. Now I'm going to use chicken broth as a base. That is 2 cups. There we go. And 3 cups. Now we're going to add the cream of chicken. Oh yeah. This is going to be delicious. Okay. Put this all together. Onions. And some celery. You're going to put a whole onion in there. Slice up whatever way that you like. With all this cooking, I'm gonna have to get me another board. Okay. I'm gonna cut all this stuff up, get it all ready, and I'll hit you back. We are back. All right. I got everything cut up. This is one diced onion. You can add as much as loaded onions as you want to. Like a lot of onions over here. Just stir it up real nicely. Add your 3 stalks of celery. Alright. We're gonna need another cup. If it's this dry, you need to have semi-wet consistency. Add another cup of chicken broth. Yeah, that's much better. This will ensure that your stuffing gets cooked where it should. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that just look delicious? And now we're going to add, this is part of 2 chicken breasts. The rest of the chicken breast is in the air fryer, like I said earlier, because I couldn't get all the meat off of it. Sometimes it's just easier. Yep, I need a little bit more. Now we're gonna put this in the oven, let it cook for a little bit, and then I have a surprise ending. So I'll hit you right back. Oh yeah, look at this. Look at this. See that? Look how delicious that looks. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna see what this tastes like. Oh, look at that. Look at the steam just falling off that. Look at that. Now the secret ingredient that I didn't tell you about, I forgot to put the broccoli, so I had to pull it back out, put the broccoli in. But I also covered it with breadcrumbs, and then cover that with Parmesan cheese. Oh my gosh. I think this is better than last time I made this. Very easy to make. This is I think 9x16. 2 boxes of stuffing. Get you some chicken broth. You can use cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, depending on whatever your flavor is. Boneless chicken breast or cut up chicken breast. Every 10 minutes, go in and stir it up. It's going to cook about 50 minutes total, but every 20 minutes, go ahead and stir it up. And then, if you want to add the breadcrumbs and the cheese, do that within the last 10 minutes. I don't know what to do with myself. This is Absolutely delicious. Creamy, not too hard. Oh. I get it as an 8 on the 10 scale. Absolutely delicious. Until next time.